everything in your life currently, your relationships, your thoughts, your routines, your income, your mindset, everything is a reflection of what your subconscious believes in. Not what you want, but what your subconscious wants and believes. And if you don't like the way your life feels, or if you don't like where you are right now, it's probably time to reprogram it. So, this video is a video which probably everyone should watch. So, if you're watching this right now, do not skip the video. Do not end the video. Put it on 1.25 speed if you want, and let's get into it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Gia. I'm a holistic wellness nutritionist, a subconscious reprogramming coach, and your bestie and your guide to reinvention. So maybe the intro was a bit dramatic, but once you get to know about your subconscious mind and the role that it plays, why does it need reprogramming and how to reprogram it, it will change your life. So let's start with what is your subconscious mind. The subconscious mind basically runs 95% of your daily life. It's like this autopilot sitting on the controller of your life. The subconscious mind is the part of your brain that stores beliefs, identities, habits, memories, and patterns. It's not logical, it's emotional and pattern based. Your subconscious completely runs on patterns that were programmed into your brain since childhood. So, like your conscious mind is responsible for short term focus, for decision making, your subconscious mind controls the automatic behavior, like how you react, how you think, what do you think is possible, what do you think is impossible, your emotions, your self worth, and even to some extent your physiology. In neuroscience, this aligns with the default mode network, a system that works when you're not consciously focused and where your brain basically runs on pre learned programs, pre learned scripts. So, this is where your identity is formed, this is where your beliefs are formed. For example, if you learned that being in love is very stressful, or earning money is the hardest, most difficult thing in the world, your subconscious will make that possible even if it is not the reality. So, that was all about your subconscious mind. There are certain behaviors, certain programs, certain things that were installed into your brain when you were a kid, since the day you were born till today. Your environment, the things that your parents teach you, things that you learn at school, the values, every single thing. All of these programs are actually fixed and embedded deep into your subconscious mind. And some of these programs are actually very, very harmful for you. So, why is reprogramming needed? So, most of these rigid fixed programs are entered or formed in your brain from the ages of 0 to 7 years, when everything was just relaxed and you felt safe. That means you were actually absorbing every single thing like a literal sponge. Things like I'm not enough, success is hard, you need to study a lot to become something, I always mess things up, I'm not a good child, and a lot of other things. So all of these beliefs became your default reality. They became your default setting in your computer. So unless you consciously rewrite them, reframe them, reprogram them, they will actually become a very deep and rigid part of your life. They will stop you from doing certain things, from believing in your potential, from believing in your worth. So, what needs to be reprogrammed? There are certain things. All of these programs are actually divided into certain categories. There are core beliefs, there are your identities, there are your habits, there are your nervous system responses, there are your trauma trigger responses. So if you don't change your subconscious programs, your subconscious programming, whatever has been done, you will keep falling into this old version of yours. And shifting to a new version or upgrading yourself to a new identity, your future self, does not mean that you're leaving your past self completely and you're turning into this completely 100% new person. What it means is that you are finally coming back to your old self. You feel safe with yourself and you have rewired or reprogrammed or rechanged or changed the things that were needed for you to become happy, for you to feel safe, and for you to actually be on your path in life. And a lot of people actually find reprogramming very hard. Reprogramming is so hard because your body and your nervous system are already set on these programs. They have been working on these programs since God knows how many years. So, of course, it will be difficult for you to change it out of nowhere. And your subconscious and your nervous system resists change no matter what, because change is a threat for your body according to your nervous system. Because since the last 20 years you have been doing the same things, you have been programmed to feel a certain way, to do certain things. Now out of nowhere, if you're changing, if you're bringing in this massive huge change in your life, let it be for your diet, for your health, for your work, anything else, you are bringing in a massive change which will need your body to completely change, to completely rewire. So basically, your subconscious and your nervous system's goal is to survive. It's not growth, it's not success, it's not change. So, in easier words, your brain is a prediction machine. It prefers familiar things, even if it is bad, even if it is painful, even if it is keeping you stuck. Your brain will always keep you at the same place, because any kind of change is basically threat, is basically punishment, a bad thing for your brain, for your body, for your nervous system. So when you try to make a change, for example, if you try to wake up early and you try to go to the gym, your brain literally tells you, this is not us, this doesn't feel the same, this change cannot happen, let's not change because this is not safe for us. Laziness, again, laziness is a nervous system response. It's your nervous system being in freeze mode. It's your subconscious mind literally telling you to not change. It's not laziness. So basically, the body keeps score of things you do, things you think, things you see, listen to, or feel. So if your nervous system is in freeze, fight, flight, fawn mode, it will override any kind of change. And that's why affirmations don't work if you don't feel safe. No matter how many times you're gonna keep saying to yourself, I'm beautiful, I'm radiant, I'm healthy, my cells are nourishing, it won't happen unless your body feels safe for that change to happen. So, how to change that? How to make your body feel safe? How to reprogram your subconscious mind? So, here's a 3 step reprogramming method that I have done myself, and I can't tell you, I have changed quite a lot of beliefs, core beliefs that I had about myself. So, step one is identify your core belief, identify your limiting belief. What is that statement? What is that belief that you have that is stopping you from changing? It could be things like, I'm not enough, I'm not consistent, I'm not pretty, oh my god, I'm so ugly, I don't have any friends, people don't like me, if I earn a lot of money, I might be greedy. These, all of these are limiting beliefs. All of these are core beliefs that have been programmed into your brain. These beliefs often come from childhood, or your experiences while you were growing up, or things that you might have heard from your parents. So start tracking your beliefs. Start observing what happens when you're trying to rest, when you're trying to relax, when you're trying to be playful, or when you're trying to enjoy something. Observe, because your body is giving you signs. You are not able to listen to them, you're not able to see them. So step one is identifying. Step two is regulation. What is regulation? Regulate means bringing something back into a relaxed state, into a balanced state. You are supposed to make your body feel safe, relaxed, happy, calm. You have to make your body, make your nervous system feel safe. That is what we call as nervous system regulation. I will be creating a new video on this soon, probably next week. To reprogram any single thing, your body needs to feel safe. To change anything, your body needs to feel safe. To start something new and to stick to it, to stick to that routine, or to any other thing, your body needs to feel safe. Because if your body is always stuck in survival mode, your old beliefs will always win. So, how to regulate your body? Number one is practice breath work. Practice 444 breath work. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds. Place a hand on your chest and place a hand on your belly. This is something that I talked about a few videos ago, so you can go check it out. Place one hand on your heart, one on your belly, and start breathing. Get into this rhythm with your body. Relax your body. Third option is try self hugging. This is how you do it. This is how you self hug. Self hug and just keep swaying. This actually helps a lot, and I have been doing this since quite a few months, and it helps a lot to regulate your nervous system. These three activities are something that I practice every single day. So now moving on to step number 3, which is rewiring, repetition and imprinting. Now comes the actual brain rewiring or reprogramming. There's this one rule that you need to follow every single time. To reprogram a belief, to manifest something into reality, you are supposed to follow this formula. Emotions plus intensity is equal to reality. Everything that you believe in, everything that you want in your life, everything that you want to manifest, you are supposed to actually just add in your emotions. How would you feel after you achieve that, after you get that manifestation? And the second is intensity. Now, what are you supposed to repeat? What are you supposed to reprogram? You've identified your core belief. For example, if your limiting belief was, I can't trust myself because I'm not good enough, you will completely reframe that sentence and you will change into, I am becoming someone who trusts herself, who believes in herself, who knows her worth, who knows and who trusts herself and her actions. This is rewiring. Second, repetition. Keep repeating this, keep making your body, keep making your brain believe in this new rewired belief. Here are a few examples. It's very easy for me to earn money. I am safe to receive, to be seen, to be heard. I no longer operate from fear or from lack of abundance. I operate from peace and power. You can use techniques like visualization, journaling, scripting, NLP techniques to actually understand the depth of this entire step, which is rewiring. One more thing that is super important when it comes to rewiring or reprogramming is that you are supposed to embody that self of yours, embody that person. Embody means enact or act like that. For example, if your core belief is I am not enough and people don't like me, that entire belief comes from a lack of self worth, a lack of self love, and confidence. When you reframe it and when you embody it, I want you to act like, I want you to behave like that person who loves herself and people love her. It's not about people pleasing over here at all. People genuinely love you because you love yourself. Because you love yourself, because you have identified your worth in your own image, in your own eyes. Your body knows that, your brain believes that, especially your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind actually believes that you are worthy. People like you because you like yourself, because you love yourself, and that is what matters. So, this was the easiest example of embodiment. Best time to do this is probably morning after you wake up when your brain is still in the theta wave, or before you go to sleep. These two are the best times to actually manifest, reframe, rewire, reprogram your subconscious mind. So I'll give you an example from my life. Earlier, I used to believe that building a business, creating content, working, becoming a business person, all there is to that is hustle, hard work, not taking rest, and just staying up all night and all of these things. These are programs that people, that the world has put inside us. So I had to change that core belief. And trust me, it took a long time because that is something that I believed in. I wanted to hustle. I wanted to work hard to achieve my dreams. But I reframed that entire belief into safety. I had a belief that resting is equal to work not done. Resting is equal to danger, and resting is a very slow thing. You're just wasting your time. It wasn't until I rewired that belief into rest is equal to safety. If you really want to become successful, work towards something, you have to prioritize rest. Even rich people invest in their nervous system coaches, in their trauma coaches, in their therapists, in their mental health, their physical health, their nervous system, and subconscious brain rewiring. This is something that really, really works. They cannot afford to have these really poor limiting beliefs or these bad negative core beliefs, because they are supposed to work on building a very big empire. No matter what that is, no matter what field that is, they want to earn money. They cannot earn money from a lack of abundance mindset. That is why rewiring, reprogramming your brain is super important. So once your belief changes, everything changes, your life changes. So there's this tool that you can use today. After you watch this video, make some time. I think 5-10 minutes would be enough, and record a voice note for yourself. Just record this one identity scripting prompt. I used to believe that dash dash dash. Add in everything that you believed in, your identity core beliefs, limiting beliefs. But now I am becoming someone who dash dash dash. Everything that you want to become, you want to believe in, and every other thing. This entire thing, start recording it, record it in, I think it will take you 5 minutes, but record it and keep it with yourself. Create a voice note from your upgraded, healthy, happy, healed version's point of view, where you're talking about how your day goes, how do you talk, what do you wear, how do you look, how do you walk, what is your routine, what do you eat, who are the people you hang out with, what is your character, what is your nature, are you confident, do you love yourself, do you do all these things to boost your self, boost your self image, your worth, and visualize the version of you who has already achieved that. Ask yourself, what did she or he do to get there? And start visualizing that, start journaling on that itself. And this entire tool will literally change the way you think, it will change your life. So, even if you believe that you can't change your mind, I can't be changed, my habits can't be changed, that is completely wrong. You can reprogram it to a certain extent that is literally life altering. This work changes your identity, your nervous system, as well as your reality. If you want my help to reprogram your subconscious mind to quantum upgrade, and if you're ready to rewire your beliefs completely, you can check out the link given in the description. It is my Quantum Upgrade Hour. It's a 1 hour call program where we will be discussing every single thing about your beliefs, your routine, your everything, and I will be giving you tools and a PDF to actually work on your quantum upgrade, and we will work through it. If you like this video, click on the thumbs up button. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out any other cool new videos and updates. Comment below if you like my video, plus any video idea, any video that you would like to see on my channel next in the upcoming weeks. And if you want any help, any guidance, let me know below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.